You've seen the 5-digit number on trains, but do you know what each digit actually means? Let's find out. The first digit tells the type of train, whether it's express, superfast, or passenger. The second digit shows the region or zone of the train. For example, it could indicate the northern zone or southern zone. The third digit represents the subdivision within that zone. For example, if the zone is northern, the subdivision could be the Delhi division. Fourth and fifth digit uniquely identifies the train from each other, and also the fifth digit tells about the direction of train. So next time you see a train number, that you'll read it differently. And check out Page for more such videos.